This is your daily glimpse of science.
Welcome to the race of the COVID-19 vaccine.
There are a few candidates leading the race right now. We have Pfizer and its collaborator, BioNTech. We also have Moderna in the race.
Don't forget Oxford and AstraZeneca. They said their COVID-19 vaccine could prevent illness and might cut down on transmission of the coronavirus.
The vaccine from AstraZeneca and Oxford was 90% effective in preventing COVID-19. They conducted their studies in the UK and Brazil with more than 22,000 people participated, and the patient got a half dose of the vaccine followed by a full dose 1 month later.
Right you are. The interesting thing is that the effectiveness of the vaccine dropped about 62% when the participants got 2 full doses 1 month apart. The researchers weren't sure why the half dose followed by a full dose was much more effective than 2 full doses. So the vaccine had an average about 70% effectiveness.
But AstraZeneca's vaccine may be easier to distribute than those from Pfizer and Moderna because their vaccine doesn't need to be frozen as the other two do. It can be kept at normal refrigerators temperatures. So what makes their vaccine different?
Unlike Pfizer and Moderna's vaccines, the vaccine from AstraZeneca and Oxford is not based on mRNA. Instead, they use a weakened version of the adenovirus that causes colds in chimpanzees. Ebola vaccines were made from the adenovirus as well. Rather than replicating in human cells, the chimpanzee virus was designed to infect human cells. The engineered chimp virus then gave the instructions to human cells to make spike protein from the virus SARS-CoV-2. When the person encounters COVID-19 later, his or her immune system can fight off the virus.
Also, the vaccine from AstraZeneca and Oxford could cut transmission of the coronavirus by reducing the number of asymptomatic infections, while it remains unclear if the vaccine from Pfizer or Moderna can do the same. So what's the plan that they have for their vaccine at the moment?
Currently, AstraZeneca and Oxford's vaccine is still being tested in the US, Japan, South Africa, Kenya, Russia, and Latin America. They also plan future trials in other European and Asian countries. AstraZeneca said that they would be able to produce 3 billion doses of their vaccine in 2021.
That sounds very promising. So we have 3 candidates leading the COVID-19 vaccine race at the moment. Those are Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca Oxford, all reported high effectiveness in their vaccines.
That's right. And with that, stay tuned for more future news on COVID-19 vaccines.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.